YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Young Billionaire, and we back in front of the millions.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Nigga. Why?
Do it again.
And in front of the millions.
First things first, you guys, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. As you guys can see, we have, hold on, let me do this right. We have the wonderful, the beautiful, the undeniable. I make you wanna cry, sing a lullaby. Shari Bills. Go ahead and drop one clues bomb for Shari Bills, everybody.
Hi guys. Yeah, so today we are going to do a very fun video taking over the Wave channel. Show Rodney how to properly brush your hair. So
What?
I'm gonna brush his hair and comb it and
Me?
lay it down with a wave cap and show him how it should be done correctly.
There's literally millions and millions of people watching this right now. So you have to be able to perform. If you don't do it correctly, they're gonna tell you.
Ain't no pressure. I got this.
No pressure from the big dog. Without further delay, let us get into it.
Okay, don't tell me nothing. I got this.
Yeah, okay.
Y'all ready? Wait. Oh. Now show them the side that I'm gonna help you with today. So first thing you're gonna do is go in with a comb.
She might be on something.
And you need the smallest comb that you can find. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with a comb. And I'm going to comb these, especially this area right here that we're working on. All right, we got 3 brushes here, okay, guys? We have a Torino Pro Soft. We have a Red Premium Red by Kiss Hard. And we have a Bow Wow Red by Kiss Medium.
Look at you!
Yeah! You know, I knew. So the first thing you want to do is go in with your medium brush, okay? And see, this is why Rodney don't know what he's doing because because he don't put enough arm motion in it. Deal with that force. If you ain't pressing, if your hair ain't moving like this, you ain't doing it right, ladies. Now you're gonna go in with your hard.
Sounds sexual.
All right, back to this side. This is a hard. I'm not gonna be as forceful. These brittles hurt.
Oh Lord, they're trying to kill my dog.
Okay.
These
So,
bristles.
so sorry.
These brittles.
It's hard. This is harder than I think. I ain't gonna lie to you. Done. LeBron. Next, we're gonna
Sorry,
go
who
in
does
with
LeBron even play for? Just yesterday, she thought she played for the Pacers.
He's lying. I thought I thought he still played for the Cleveland Cavaliers. I did think that Sunday. I didn't know, but I'm still a LeBron fan.
Houseway.
Soft. Torino Pro that I bought my baby. Ladies, get your baby one. Get him a Torino Pro. If he's walking around with naps, if he's walking around with BDBs, if he's walking around with a 3-inch fro that is not tamed.
I'm all for women's right, but who let her in?
It's because you ain't get your man a Torino Pro.
What? Sorry, you almost done?
You know what? We need to stop advertising for Torino Pro because they ain't giving us no money. Like, we need a sponsorship. Torino Pro, hit my baby up.
So, what's this?
Last but not least.
Oh, I feel like goddamn P. Diddy. Go
Still
ahead.
gotta put on the do-rag. So while y'all critiquing me and those y'all that's got a little bit of negativity in the comments, you still need to rag up. And if you didn't know that, then hush.
Sorry, this is not a bonnet. Sorry, what on God's green? What? Yeah, it's probably that time to head out, bud.
I learned this from Sir Cruz.
What was that?
He said if you got the lines, then you're not an elite waver. So this is my technique.
But why were you watching Sir Cruz? You want us to go ahead and take care of him, boss?
Huh?
What?
I will subscribe though.
In the Jerusalem
'Cause I'm a,
Prince of Peace. Do
I'm a
you have
support of
any?
everybody. Boom.
So, okay, fellas, maybe you should just like let her brush her hair and not do the do-rag
And if
thing.
you want to, you tuck the.
Wow, okay, so hey babe, this is great. I would actually like to wear this like, you know,
Outside.
outside. Yes, outside.
Oh, well,
not-
you didn't say that then.
This isn't like like this is more like when I'm in Saudi Arabia or something like that. No, this is the outside technique. So we're gonna wear this like something like this, baby. You did great, by the way. But we're gonna do this outside.
Whatever.
Like we're gonna do this outside, okay? So
I'm so proud of myself. Are you proud of me?
yeah, we're gonna go check it out though. And we're gonna see. Let's see how she did. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys like subscribe.
And do this challenge, ladies. Fellas, have your ladies brush your hair. Do the hairbrush challenge. My girlfriend brushed my hair challenge. And when you do, tag us in it or tag Rod in it at. How do they tag you?
What? My Instagram?
I don't know.
My
You want them to know.
My Instagram information is going to be somewhere right over here. So if you guys ever want to follow me, hit me up in my DMs and see more videos and see what I have going on and catch me live, you go ahead and go on to that link, okay? Thanks. Also, just a disclaimer, look, I'm pretty sure it won't happen to you. It's probably going to happen to me in my life, so look. But if she can't brush her hair, divorce her.
She be curving all the locals, much like foreigns. And this is when I had the Martin, I was just like Lawrence. So what's up? Dark windows on the Aston. Who else pull a Big Daddy up on Mother Gaston? I'm like, how long it's hard to get roll lasting.